In this video, I'm going to show you how broke teenagers can make $30 on the internet. Before I get deep into the content of this video, if you don't know who I am Next from PixelNext. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be releasing a ton of valuable information like this in my future videos as well. And also remember to hit the notification bell that comes along with the subscribe button. Now without wasting any more time, let's hop into my screen and I'm going to show you step by step how broke teenagers can make money online. Alright, so you won't need to have any special skills. There's no minimum age requirement to do this. And also, it's a legitimate way for anyone from anywhere in the world to actually make an income online. Now this special method that I'm going to teach you involves freelancing. So freelancing is basically offering a service in exchange for an income to solve a problem that that person has. So you have something that's valuable to offer to other people who are willing to pay you in order to save their time, their energy. Maybe they don't know how to do it, so they hire you for you to do it for them. Alright, so now I'm inside my screen. I'm in Fiverr.com. So Fiverr.com is basically a freelance marketplace where freelancers can offer their services inside here, and also where customers can come inside here and find these freelancers with ease, because it's all strategically placed in one specific website. Another website that's somewhat similar is Upwork.com. Right, so as you can see in here, they have all these categories: graphic and design, so logo design. This is one of the most popular ones. When people, they want to build Shopify dropshipping stores, they want to build affiliate marketing websites, they're gonna need a logo. People go here and search for $5 logos from people who are very talented. Alright, so you can find presentation designs, illustrations, digital marketing, SEO, mobile advertising, writing and translation. You can find freelancers to actually write resumes and cover letters for you. If you don't know anything about the law, then you can hire freelancers who have a basic knowledge of the law and write legal documents for you. Alright, so you have all of these very interesting categories, but now in this method I'm going to show you a specific one where you go to video and animation and you go to whiteboard and animated explainers. Alright, so now you might be thinking, okay, I don't know anything about animations, I don't know how to create videos. So don't worry about that, I'm going to show you how you can do this easily. Alright, so now we're inside the whiteboard and animated explainers. So as you scroll down, you're going to see these freelancers who are offering their services to design whiteboard videos, 2D animated videos. You see here, I will design a whiteboard animation 2D explainer video, and the price starts at $35. And there's also upsell, so if the customer actually wants more things to be done, then they're gonna have to purchase a bigger plan. So you see, this seller is actually a pro verified Fiverr seller, so he or she is actually offering the services for $5,000 plus. And as you can see down, I will create whiteboard videos for my original drawings. I will create 2D animation video. Alright, so let's choose one. Okay, this one looks interesting. I will create animated explainer video. The rating is also the amount of feedback that this freelancer or seller has gotten is very high as well, 500 plus, and the price starts at $50. So this one looks like an interesting one. Alright, so the freelancer is C. Winnie. She has a 4.9 average star rating. She's from Indonesia. So as I said, you don't necessarily need to be in the top tier countries. You can be in Indonesia, you can be in Malaysia, you can be in China. You can do this from anywhere in the world. So there's no excuses. So just sign up for a free account and you can get going from there. Alright, so let's look at this. I will create an animated explainer video. So let's preview it for a second.
Do you know how your customers may perceive your service and brand? Building a successful business is no longer just about having a quality product at a competitive price. Customer satisfaction plays a significant role when it comes to differentiating your brand in a highly competitive business environment. Our mystery guest service reveals your business shortcomings and potentials and provides tailor-made solutions to at www.sterlingconsult.
Alright, so this animated video might look very complicated. It might look that you need to have a basic understanding of JavaScript and everything, but that's not necessary at all. Okay, this person actually got this type of software from a website that I'm going to show you in a few seconds to simply change the characters, the fonts, the wordings inside here, the voiceover and everything. That's the only thing they changed. But in terms of the animation itself, it's already provided in templates from that website. Alright, so looking at this freelancer, so the basic plan is $50 for 75 words, HD animated video with the background music and voiceover included. So the voiceover is actually someone speaking out these the words inside the videos, like www.sterlingconsulting.eu. The average is 3 days delivery, 5 revisions. Alright, so look at this. The lowest plan that she offers is $50, and it includes all of these. If the customer wants a longer video, he wants more requirements inside the videos, then they can go for the $100 plan, and the highest one is a $150 plan, which is the premium plan. So that's basically what Fiverr is. Now I'm going to show you the website where you can create simple videos like this and simply change the small bits and pieces inside them to create very amazing animated videos. Alright, so the website where you can create these amazing animated videos is powtoon.com. So you just go to your URL and then type in powtoon.com. So you're going to have to actually sign up first. So I already signed up using my Facebook account. You don't need to actually put in your email addresses and everything, just integrate your Facebook account with this. Powtoon is actually a website where they have pre-made animated videos. They have a drag and drop builder, so you can drag and drop these animated characters, the wordings and everything. And you can start off with a free plan, so you don't actually need to pay anything yet to start using the software. You can play around, get familiarize yourself. And the great thing about the world that we live in now, in 2018, everything is on the internet. So it's a very great opportunity for you to improve your skills. If you don't know anything about editing videos, this is a great opportunity for you to learn and also potentially make an income by offering your services as a freelancer. Before I actually show you the software, you can see this section over here. Before you start, remember to first write your script, record a voiceover, and add visuals. And you don't need to have third-party softwares to do this. Everything's inside this website itself. Okay, so now let's get into the fun stuff to create these animated videos. So first you go over here to templates. Alright, so now you're in the template section of Powtoon. So basically they have pre-made video templates inside here that you can use. You can preview them, and then when you want to edit them, you can use them. So let's look at some of these template categories. So you can look at all of them: training and tutorials, video ads, marketing videos, explainer videos. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you the marketing videos, for example. Now you can see these very interesting videos. You don't need to create content of your own. The content is already out there, so you just change the wordings, add a voiceover, add a few effects. That's it. Okay, so let's choose one of these. Now these look interesting. Capture leads. So leads is basically getting people's email addresses in exchange for giving them a free gift, like a free ebook, a free hackbook, a free video series to teach people about basic stuff. Now this one is a video for you to showcase your product. So if your client actually wants to showcase their product, then you can use this template. This template is about increasing conversions. Alright, so you can preview them over here. So click on preview, and then simply click play and see what the video is about. Alright, so this is a very interesting video. So first, they highlight the pain point of the potential customer's problem, and then they introduce their company and they are proud to present their product. After that, they list down the benefits of the products, and in the end they insert a call to action to sign up now, and also the logo and the name of the website. Alright, so in order to edit this video, so in order to edit this template, we click on here, use this template, or you hover over here and click on use. Now we are inside the animated video editor. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is actually go from here. By default, they're going to show you the quick edit interface. So what you want to change is go to full studio, and what this will do is actually bring out all of the possible tools that you could use for ease of editing the video. Alright, so it's very easy to edit the videos. You can change from one slide to the other. Click on this, and then let's say you want to change your company's name. So my company is Pixel Next Enterprise is proud to present. Okay, so I have a product. Maybe I'm coming up with a free affiliate marketing course. Alright, so you can change the font sizes. Okay, you can play around with this. You can drag and drop them wherever you want. You can also change the transition, so from fade you can change to spirals tech. So let's look at what that looks like. So you go here, okay, yeah, so instead of the fade they choose the spirals tech transition. Okay, so another amazing thing that you could do is actually change the character in here. So if you don't want a male, then you can actually change it to a female if you want. So you click over here, which is the swap, and then choose the female over here. Alright, and you can also change the pose, so the behaviors from happy, thinking, sad. So if you're highlighting a pain point, so are you fed up with, okay, let's say you want to change this to not having sales, wasting money on useless ads. Alright, so basically you can change anything you want in here. You can add different kinds of characters, so like a character like this without a face, shadow free. You can click on play over here and preview how it looks. Alright, so you can also change the background music. So if you don't like this one, the funky down home, then just click on swap over here. You can open the library of audios that you can use from. So let's choose this, for instance, Data World. So you can play the video again. So that's how you change the background music. And after that, if you want to add a voiceover, you just go over here, my voiceovers, add a voiceover, click on record, and then just simply record your voiceovers on each and every slide. Make sure that they sync well with every word that comes out from the slides itself. So loads of possibilities to do inside here. You can change everything. You can change the background. So pick a background color. You can change the gray, change the characters, shapes, and everything. So this is the call to action. Sign up now. Insert your logo over here, your website.com. So whenever your clients actually request for anything, you as a freelancer, you take what they want and then you edit them according to the templates inside here. Alright, so to recap, first you write the script. So your client actually sends you a script that they want for their videos, and then you record the voiceover, and then you add the visuals. So the visuals are already taken care of. You can change them inside the templates that are pre-made inside this website. So now let's look at the pricing. So you click on here. Now the pricing and plans, there's a monthly one and an annual one. Now when you start for free, I recommend that you test out the platform. You familiarize yourself with editing, drag and dropping everything, adding the voiceover, editing the transition and everything. So basically, making yourself comfortable with the software. And then once you're comfortable, then you can actually promote yourself as a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork, and you can start going for the paid plans. Now I know the one thing that sucks is actually having to pay for these softwares, but it's fair, right? Because they're actually providing a very amazing software for you to use in exchange for you to pay them small monthly fees. So you can start with the starter plan or the pro plan. But as you can see here, the most popular one is a Pro Plus, which they have unlimited premium exports. Now the pricing might seem a little bit expensive, but let's take this example. The freelancer that we found just now, which was C. Winnie. So let's kind of break down the amount of income that she's making. So this is the amount of reviews that she's getting. Now remember, the reviews isn't actually the amount of orders that she actually got, because not everyone who purchased her service actually reviewed on her. So obviously the number of clients that she got who paid for her service is more than 581. Alright, so for the sake of an example, let's say that the amount of customers, the clients that she got. Alright, so for the sake of example, let's say that the amount of clients that she got was 581, and they all purchased the basic plan. Alright, so we're being very conservative over here. So let me open up my calculator over here. So 581 times 50 is... So as you can see, it's more than $29,000. So this is the amount of money that she made over the lifetime that she spent offering the service. Now remember, this is being very conservative. So taking this number and actually the lowest plan, the basic plan. Now I'm sure that some, if not most of them, actually purchased the $100 and also the $150 plan. So let's say 300 of those people actually purchased the $100 plan. So 300 times 100 is $30,000. So I'm actually sharing you this opportunity for you, the possibilities that you have on the internet to make an income. Alright, so to recap, first you go to Fiverr.com, you sign up for a free account, and then you go to Powtoon.com. So you start with a free plan, familiarize yourself with everything that you can inside here, and then list your service as an animated video creator inside Fiverr. Find clients, get good reviews, and start making an income online. That is it for the video. If you enjoyed this content, if you found that this content was valuable, consider liking, commenting down below, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. And remember to hit the notification bell that comes along with the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of all of my future video releases. That is all I have for this video. I hope this helps.